Just to take a drop of bay laurel oil on your fingertip and smell it is quite an experience. You're right away taken into a spicy, fresh energy, which within seconds enlivens your spirit from deep inside. As if a whiff of fragrant air breathes through you and imbibes the whole system with its radiance. Bay laurel is an ancient healer with a very special energetic outfit. I personally have this oil always with me on traveling, especially in the car, because it pushes away stress and fatigue during long driving hours. I like to say laurel gives courage in cases of challenge, whether they are physical, mental, or emotional. And it heightens intuition and clears insights, focus also, and general mental awareness. In this sense, laurel is always the victorious one who builds you up with inner strength and gives you the necessary endurance needed to stand strong in the special hours of daily life. The beautiful evergreen bush-like tree grows on well-drained soils in areas of moderate humid climate and low, medium, high altitude. Native of the Mediterranean regions and widespread in the tertiary area, the laurel tree originally covered 4 million of years of vast spaces of the old continent. As a high adaptive species, laurel, due to its vigorous properties, was able to survive even during harsh fluctuations of climate and habitat. Relics of the ancient forest flora still persist in regions like Spain, Portugal, or Turkey, also in Syria and Madeira. Bay laurel differs a lot in the appearance and can reach a height even between 10 to 18 meters. But if cultivated, it is often kept smaller by pruning. Because of the unisexual dioecious properties of laurel clusters of small pale yellow-green flowers in the spring, they develop on different male and female trees, and they prefer sunny exposure. In autumn, its small purple-black fruits ripen on the female plants as blank berries, in protecting foliage of glossy green, fragrant leaves of medium size. Bay laurel is able to deter pests, even from neighboring plants. Due to its inborn vitality and resistance, it withstands all sorts of common plant diseases. Bay laurel is also a natural insect repellent. Already this feature shows the protective character of this amazing plant. The soap-making industry benefits from the essential oil gained from the berries or leaves with berries. It is utilized as a fragrant component in detergents, toiletries, cosmetics, and perfumes. The dried leaves of laurel are well known to enrich the kitchen as a popular culinary herb. The aromatic leaves, with their noble herbal tinge, raise the flavor of any possible dish. The symbolic importance of laurel brings us face to face with a plant highly revered in the context of the European cultural history. In the high period of the Greek civilization, bay laurel figured as a plant which incorporates the promise of extraordinary human virtues. Owing to its widely praised mythological origin within the Apollonian mysteries, the plant represented the access to the highest social status of human beings. Noble attributes of outstanding achievements were interwoven with bay laurel, glorified in the shape of a garland or laurel wreath round the heads of those who had won the famous prize during the Greek Pythian Games. Also, its religious importance is expressed in its role as a ceremonial vehicle during the performance of the divination rites of ancient Greece. Nonetheless, also did the Romans honor high levels of poetic expressions in the form of the Poeta Laureatus, ascribing to the laurel the qualities of highest merits and victory. Laurel also had a firm place within the Roman medicinal and culinary traditions. Within the biblical context, laurel as an emblem often mirrors fame and prosperity, whereas Christian tradition emphasizes the role of laurel as a symbol of Christ's resurrection. In Chinese folk tradition, the moon laurel stands for a tree which never can be felled. Bay laurel yields the maximum of oil content in the season of early and midsummer. The greenish-yellow transparent essence with its spicy herbal odor is obtained by steam distillation from the dried leaves and branches. Diluted in carrier oil, it plays a special role within the phyto- and aromatherapeutical contexts. In form of herbal extracts, bay laurel traditionally is used as a potent anti-dandruff herbal rinse. The liquid extraction of the leaves may be poured on the head and can be applied for massaging the scalp. Here are a few other virtues of laurel. Laurel alleviates ailments such as bronchitis, cough, flu, tonsillitis, and viral infections. It helps well against fever and is known for relieving many different chest complaints. Medicinal folk traditions swear on special applications of bay laurel leaves utilized as a concoction, which was given to the patient for tonic effects on the bladder and also on the stomach in cases of colic, indigestion, dyspepsia, flatulence, loss of appetite, and other afflictions. Bay laurel is also appreciated as a remedy against problems, especially of the upper digestive system, provoking the secretion of digestive juices and easing absorption of heavy food. The oil extract also helps against arthritic pains and supports a beginning of menstruation. Bay laurel essential oil is also a good treatment for rheumatisms, for arthritis, polyarthritis, skin infections, vaginal thrush, acne, and psoriasis. And the oil blends well with juniper, clary sage, lavender, rosemary, also myrtle, cardamom, frankincense, also cypress, citrus and eucalyptus oils, and all kinds of spice oils. The high presence of eucalyptol, this is the 1.8 cineol, gives bay laurel its beautiful freshness. Other compounds, for example eugenol and methyl eugenol, add to the energy of the oil and make it appear spicy, fresh, and warming. Also compounds such as geraniol, terpineol, linalool, and pinene, etc. are present to remarkable degrees. Large amounts of tannins and resins are found also in the leaves. Even the green-colored semi-solid fatty oil, once extracted from the fruits, contains measurable quantities of essential oil. The powerful broad spectrum is antibacterial here, with antiviral also and fungicide properties. It's a powerful pain reliever. It's regulatory of the nervous system, mucolytic and powerful expectorant, as we already saw, anticoagulant, antispasmodic, and a coronary dilator. Here are some recipes for low blood pressure, for example. Rosemary borneum, spike lavender, clove bud, peppermint, and bay laurel. You take together 1 ml of each in 50 ml hazelnut oil or jojoba oil for massage. For influenza, viral and respiratory infection in adults, we can take this recipe here. Ravensara, for example, 5 ml, bay laurel 2 ml, eucalyptus radiata 2 ml, thyme tuyanol 1 ml, and 8 of 10 drops on the chest of these oils in a mix and back 4 to 5 times per day. And then also here how to treat rheumatoid arthritis. Here's a remedy from Dominique Baudou, a pharmacist and aromatologist from Belgium. For rheumatoid arthritis, is the most common chronic polyarthritis cause. It is characterized by an often bilateral and symmetrical joint involvement, relapsing to deformation and destruction of joints. Diagnosis can be difficult at the beginning of its development. Because of the absence of specific clinical signs, the fickle nature of biological signs, and the delay of onset of radiological joint erosions. You can take here as a remedy the Thymosaturioides, it's a special type of thyme, 1 ml, then the basil tropical, 1 ml, bay laurel, 1 ml, rock rose, 1 ml, and Helichrysum immortella, 1 ml. And the blend has to be applied topically on the painful areas 4 to 5 times daily as needed. And here a recipe against lumbago. You take bay laurel 1 drop, peppermint 1 drop, and Eucalyptus citriodora 2 drops. And you apply this 3 to 4 times daily locally. This is also from Dominique Baudou. So we can say, breathe healthy with bay laurel oil. And not to forget, psyche in Greek means breath. So we always have to link healthy breathing and good feeling. It is obvious that the biochemical element of eucalyptol in medicinal plants is not there coincidentally, but must have been designed by cosmic intelligence for purpose. For me personally, I cannot but make the connection with prana, the vital, intelligent life force in the universe, according to the Ayurvedic science. So for the yogis of modern times, a good pranayama can be quite an experience on the upper level when we associate a drop of bay laurel on our fingertips to our exercise. Here's some medical research also we may not forget on diabetes, for example, and in context with bay laurel. A clinical study presented 2005 at the Symposium of Aromatherapy and Medicinal Plants in Grass by Dr. A.M. Giraud-Robert, the efficacy of essential oils in the treatment of hepatitis B and C, specifically antifibrotic and antiviral effects. Essential oils chosen for their antiviral activities, and they used for that Ravensara, bay laurel, niauli, and thyme 204. Bay laurel has also been found to be effective against tumor cells, by the way. The R-limonene present in laurel oil fights against tumor cells. A research paper published in 2007 states that the Laurus nobilis, the bay laurel oil, has anti-tumor potency and works best at a concentration of 75.45 microgram on amelanonic melanoma, a skin cancer, and at a concentration of 78.24 microgram on renal cell adenocarcinoma, cancer of the kidneys. The oil also helps to reduce inflammation, that is very clear. The 1.8 cineol and the R-limonene and the pinene present in laurel oil have anti-inflammatory potential. The oil prevents the signs of inflammation like loss of function or difficulty in moving, swelling, redness, pain, and high temperature. The anti-inflammatory effects of laurel essential oils are comparable to the standards NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like piroxicam. Another study published in 2004 says that 1.8 cineol prevents colitis. This is the inflammation in the bowels. The study concludes the dietary use of 1.8 cineol as a flavoring agent and preventing the inflammation of the GIT, the gastrointestinal tract, and ulceration. To conclude, bay laurel is one of the many essential oils with such a rich biochemical profile that it is hard to not see numerous errors in our physiology which would withstand its curative impact. Already standing in front of a bay laurel tree and rubbing a leaf between your fingers and breathing in the fragrance from them stimulates vigor, vitality, freshness and happiness. It is for sure an oil which makes you go, makes you even leap inside, and bestows a spirit of being able to withstand everything. Even looking at the leaves, there is a kind of signature reading possible. They are evergreen, strong, nearly leather-like, and full of a well-shaped, solid character. According to Ayurveda, an oil like bay laurel, in its spicy freshness, can very well balance an excess of kapha dosha, the heavy body type imbalance, meaning, for example, it pulls you out of lethargy, depression, lack of motivation, and the like. Yes, what a gift again of the universal cosmic or pranic intelligence to bestow us as humans with such a beautiful plant and essential oil.